LeBron James and his wife ending their honeymoon. Their last stop was in Venice. They're out on a gondola. They picked like one of the most expensive gondola rides. They get the like pimp gondola with all the gold all over it. Then they get two guys, so you got two gondoliers. Then you got a singer. You got another guy playing the accordion.
I wanted to go on a gondola ride once.
No, you don't. They're so ridiculous.
What is cool to you? Like, you bitch about everything. What is cool?
I don't bitch about everything. There's tons of stuff I like.
What?
Jet skiing.
Jet skiing, by the way, isn't all what it's cracked up to be.
And not only that, he bitched about jet skiing the other day to me. He won't go jet skiing here anymore.
Why are you bitching about jet skiing?
Because of the poo in the water. There's poo in that water.
No, be honest. What's the real reason? You're a spoiled jet skier.
Okay, move on.
Oh, what?
First of all, urinal talk is confidential.
You guys talk when you're peeing?
You guys weren't using the same one again, were you?
Sword fight.